legs front and shake your leg for few seconds. Feet together. Let's start with ankle movement. Inhale, toes front. Exhale, back. Toes try to point it back. Inhale, front. Exhale, back. Inhale, front. Exhale, back. Inhale, front. Exhale, back. Inhale, front, and hold for few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Rotate at ankle. 1, 2. Try to make a big circle with your toes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pose it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Legs apart. Place your fingertip on shoulder and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Pose it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release your hand. Your right hand front, finger up. Wrist stretching. Push your fingers back. Feel the stretch at your wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Down. Again push back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now left hand finger up, push back, stretch your wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finger down. Push back. Hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Both hands back. Rest your palm on mat. Fold your both leg. Push your pelvis upward. Inhale, up. Look back. Head back. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Look 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 back. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in 10. Exhale slowly down. You can take your feet a little forward. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, twisting both hands back, head down. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, twisting head down. Inhale, 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 up. Exhale, twisting and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, right. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, release your hand. Cross your leg. Come to cat pose. Both hands front, palm on mat at your shoulder level, toes back, knee at your hip level, toes flat back. Inhale, arching back. Keep your hands straight, chin forward. Try to look upward. Exhale, make round on back. Look towards your navel. Squeeze your abdominal muscles. Inhale, keep your hands straight, arching back. Exhale, down. Inhale, up, arching back. Exhale, down. Inhale, up, arching back. Exhale, down. Lock your throat. One more time. Inhale, up, hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, down. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release posture. Tuck your toes under. Mountain pose. Legs straight, hands straight. Keep your spine straight. Hold and breath deeply. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more time. Inhale. Exhale. Tailbone higher. Inhale. Exhale. Raise your left leg. Inhale. Up. Pointed toe up. Press your shoulder down. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, knee to the nose. Shift your weight on hand. Try to bring your knee between your arms and touch your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bring your left knee between your hands. Right leg back straight. Here, interlock your finger behind your head. Inhale, up. Open your heart, chin up. Try to look up. Exhale, forward, down. Inhale, up, arching, back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, up, arching, back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, up, arching, back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Stretch your hand up. Interlock your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale, forward. Relax your back. Again, hold for 10 counts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, head up. Here, right shoulder in. Exhale, twisting. Raise your left hand up. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back. Release posture. Rest your palm on mat. Again, mountain pose. Leg back straight. Deep breath 3 times. Inhale. Exhale. Tailbone higher. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Raise your right leg. Inhale, up, pointed to upward. Press your shoulder down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, knee to the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bring your right knee between your hands. Again, same. Interlock your finger behind your head. Inhale, up. Open your heart, chin up. Look up. Exhale, forward, head down. Inhale, up, arching, back. Exhale, forward, down. Inhale, up, arching, back. Exhale, forward, down. Inhale, up, arching, back, chin up. Exhale, forward, down. Inhale, up, hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Stretch your hand upward. Keep your fingers interlocked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale, forward, relax your back. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, head up. Here, left shoulder in. Exhale, raise your right hand up, twisting. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back, release your posture. Again, come to mountain pose. Leg straight, hand straight. Reach your tailbone higher. Stretch your hamstring, calf muscles. 1. Deep inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Walk your leg. Stretch your calf muscles and hamstring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Drop your knees on mat. Child pose. Sit back on your heel, head down. Relax your back, relax your spine, relax your arms for few seconds.